Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Press the Smart Hub button and open the YouTube app on your Samsung TV. Navigate with the remote using the directional pad to highlight icons and menus. Use the search bar to find channels or videos by title or keyword and press Enter to load results. Browse categories like trending or subscriptions to find content quickly. Ensure the TV is on a 4 GHz or 5 GHz Wi-Fi network for streaming without interruptions. Update the app from the Samsung App Store when prompted to access the latest features and fixes. Sign in with your Google account to access subscriptions and history on YouTube. Choose Sign In from the app menu and follow the on-screen instructions to enter credentials. For faster pairing, open YouTube.com/pair on a phone or PC and enter the 4-digit code shown on the TV. Pairing links your account and enables remote control from the phone and playback casting. Activate features like Watch Later, playlists, and personalized recommendations when you sign in. Remember to sign out on shared TVs to protect your account privacy and settings. Use the remote to play, pause, skip, and adjust video quality up to 4K when available. Press the settings icon during playback to select 1080p, 720p, or auto quality for smoother streaming. To cast, open YouTube on your phone and tap the cast icon, then choose the Samsung TV from the device list. If videos buffer, restart the TV and router and check your internet speed. Reinstall the YouTube app from Samsung Apps if problems persist or clear the app cache when available. Contact Samsung support only if issues continue.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.